is what you'll need to make a nice glaze to go on any of your chocolate cakes. A dash of golden syrup, some butter, bar of chocolate and some cream. I've gone for Bailey's Posh Cream because I'm filming this around Christmas time. First thing we're going to do to make your topping, we're going in with the butter, some golden syrup, and then this extra delicious Bailey's thick cream, and your chocolate chunks, and then that's going in the microwave for 30 seconds, 20-30 seconds, till it all melts down, and we're going to give it a good whisk. When your topping comes out the micro, give it a good mix so all the chocolate's melted, and then you're going to put that to one side to cool down and solidify a bit. Then it's onto there with the delicious topping that you've made.